guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another The Power of Eyeshadow, the power of makeup to actually just enhance the shape of our natural deep set eye, just to bring out the great qualities about it and just maybe conceal some of the negative side that we don't like, just to make our eye look like our eye but better. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look and how you can create this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. For this look, I'm going to use my KKW2 palette. It has some great warm and cool neutrals in it. So first I'm going to go in with the darkest matte shade and an angular brush, and I'm just going to start working on the outer corner. And I'm just kind of following my lash line in the outer corner, going on more of a downward angle. You can fill in that outer V. Now I'm just going to take the angular brush and the deep shade and just kind of press that into the outer corner. So that's giving a good contrast with the brightness on the inner part of our eye and just making our eye look a lot bigger. And I didn't go up into the crease with the color, I just stayed right below it. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and this cooler taupe shade, and I'm just going to buff that on top of the dark brown color. Just going to go underneath the eye a little bit with that same shade. Now I'm going to take my neutral tone and just my JH35 brush, and I'm going to put that into the crease. So this has some warmth in it, and it's on the lighter tone, so it's not really creating any dark shadows in the crease, and I'm just kind of following the pattern of going a little bit more downward. Just going to use a smaller brush and go into that neutral tone and go on the inner part of the lower lash line. I'm going to go in again with that cooler taupe color just on the lid. I like the contrast that we're getting from the cool and the warm tones, and I just want to bring that a little bit further down my lid. I'm going to take my Mud Dome brush. This is an 800S brush. I'm going to go into this warmer like burnt orange tone, and I'm just going to slightly buff that on the outer part of the eye, just above the crease. Then we can just buff it with the neutral tone. I'm gonna take the neutral tone that's a little bit lighter than this one at the bottom and a fluffy brush, and I'm going to follow along underneath my brow with that and a little bit along my nose. Kind of buff it into right above, right below the brow. I'm going to go into the lightest tone and the same brush that I just used with the neutral color. I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner to brighten it up. Not using a flat brush because I don't want it to be so pigmented. Just want to lightly dust it over. Follow along the crease a little bit. Gonna go back into that cooler neutral tone and buff it. Kind of give it a little light buffing everywhere actually. It's a really pretty color. Gonna go with that in with a black eyeliner pencil and just stick to the outer corner. Just kind of following along where I went with the eyeshadow. Take the angled brush and just kind of buff that out. All right, so I just popped on some mascara. How good does this look? I think it looks phenomenal. We have just enhanced the shape of our deep set eyes, just followed along the natural shape of the eye, and it just made the eye pop. The eye looks so much bigger. Like, how pretty is that? We got brightness in the crease, but we've kind of hugged the brow bone with those warmer neutrals and just followed kind of in a downward motion. So pretty. I love the way it turned out. Like, how fun is that? It's like your eye, but better. So this is the final eye look. Let me know what you think in the comments, if this is how you do your makeup for your deep set eyes, if you think this would be helpful for your eyes, but I think it looks awesome. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.